Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an engaging vocabulary quiz with Quizizz step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Quizizz website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your Quizizz dashboard. Click on the create button located in the top right corner. Choose the option to create a quiz from the drop-down menu. Start by giving your quiz a relevant title that reflects its content. Next, add a description to provide context for your quiz. Select the language that you want to use for your quiz. Click on Add Question to start creating your vocabulary questions. Choose the question type that suits your quiz, such as multiple choice or fill in the blank. For vocabulary, multiple choice questions are often the most engaging. Begin with your first question by entering the vocabulary word. Then add several answer options, including one correct answer and a few distractors. Be sure to randomize answer order to enhance quiz engagement. After finishing the first question, click on Add Question to continue creating your quiz. Repeat the process for additional vocabulary words, creating a diverse range of questions. Make sure to include various difficulty levels to challenge participants. You can also use images or audio to enhance the questions, making them more interactive. Once you have finished adding questions, review your quiz for accuracy and completeness. Quizizz allows you to preview the quiz, so take advantage of this feature. When you're satisfied with the quiz, click on the Finish button. Decide whether to make your quiz public or keep it private for specific audiences. You can share your quiz link or assign it directly to your students for completion. Consider setting a time limit for each question to increase the challenge. Once students complete the quiz, you can track their progress and scores in your dashboard. Use this data to assess understanding and adapt future lessons accordingly. Creating an engaging vocabulary quiz on Quizizz can enhance the learning experience for your students. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.